This video is about a macro for reversing strings in Excel. If I reverse this text excellent cat in this cell B3, it will be DAC space N space LX. Let's see how to write a macro for the same. Go to Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, insert a module. I will name this macro as reverse string. Set X equals selection. For printing the reversed string into the adjacent cell on the right side of the selected cell, active cell.offset 0, 1 dot value equal str reverse x in close brackets. Str reverse function is the VBA function which will return the reverse of the string passed to it. Back to our worksheet. To reverse the string in this cell B3, select the cell B3, click on macros in the Developer tab, execute the macro. The reverse of the string in the cell B3 is printed into the cell C3. Once again, now to reverse every string in a selected data range, I will name this macro as reverse strings in a selection. Declare in memory X as range. Declare in memory Y as integer. Y equals 0. Set X equals selection. We'll introduce a for loop for looping through every string in the selection. For each X in the selection, active cell.offset y, 1 dot value equal str reverse X, y equal y plus 1, next X. Back to our worksheet. Select the strings which are to be reversed. Click on macros in the Developer tab. Execute the macro reverse strings in a selection. And all the strings in the selection are now reversed and printed into the adjacent cells. Once again, and when I execute the macro with the reverse strings, they are back to original. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.